What's up, everybody? So what we got going on here is if you're having some spasms on the inner thigh or you're looking to do some trigger pointing. Many of us think we need to smash and destroy the meat, but there's so much more specificity to it. So what I want you to do is get yourself anything like a ball of some sort that you can feel that's firm, okay? Whatever you have. And let's say the bottom leg is the leg that we're targeting, whether you're trying to get the inner groin musculature, adductors, anything like that is either spasming or you're wanting to do some tissue work too. The weight of the top leg will be pushing that into this leg. You want to hang out here for 2 minutes. During that 2 minutes, you'll be contracting the bottom leg stuff. So you'll be engaging that inner musculature here on the inner thigh into the ball, then you relax. As you relax, the weight of this leg will sink that ball deeper into that tissue. That is our phase 1. After that 2 minutes, we go into phase 2. This movement is the foundation. We just start adding dynamic movement, meaning we're adding more joint movement. So we're going to take the knee and she's going to put the ankle into dorsiflexion, and then she's going to start rotating the knee. So pulling the foot up away from the table, then back down and lifting the heel away from the table. So she's doing that while she's doing step 1. So this becomes step 2. So step 1 is, again, I'm engaging this tissue into the ball. This is the weight, pushing the ball down into that while simultaneously doing our movement for a duration of 2 minutes. Now we start to transition into phase 3. We take the leg and we bring the knee up into more 90 degree or close to, and we have the ability for our leg to hang off. So we start adding hip movement. So this is external rotation of the hip to internal rotation of the hip. While simultaneously doing that, we've got still the engagement of the inner thigh into the ball for 8 seconds, and then resting for the top leg to push down into the ball, to push down into that. So these are your phases of attacking that inner thigh tissue that might be super tight for you and or spasms, and this is how we want to attack it, okay? So get after it. Let's get some. Follow the guidance in your training.